Alright guys, I'm going to teach you the second image, which is the rock climbing image, and we're going to go ahead and open up the rock climbing image. And you'll see that there are some pock marks in the rock around the side here. There's this big DJ right here. We are going to use the clone or the spot healing brush to fix this. So you could clone those out, but we're going to try to use some of these right here. And the shortcut on the desktop is J, and that tells you right here next to it. We're going to use that, and we're going to kind of make our size of our circle that we're going to do about the same size as what we're trying to work on. And you can go up and down with the bracket keys on your desktop. Once you get to the size that you'd like, just click on top of it and you'll see that it just disappears. It is just healing it out. It has a good algorithm that heals it out. If you start doing it a lot, you'll start seeing weird tracks and stuff, anomalies showing up. So you don't want to do it too much. Command Z to undo. Kind of want to go around and fix a lot of this stuff, but don't over fix it so that it starts looking like it's fake, I guess would be the word. You could go then and click on here and go to the patch tool. The patch tool is great because you can drag and click and drag around an object that you want to remove. Once you have the dancing dots, that's the selection, you move to a section, another section that's similar in texture, and then you release, and you'll see that it disappears. Command D on your keyboard will remove the dancing dots, and now you can see what it looks like. If you weren't happy with that, you could always undo it and go back and redo it again. All your histories are right up here under your history tool, and you go back whatever steps you want to go back to. Go all the way back to the beginning, up there. Go back a couple of steps, and you could say, I'd like to do this section. Command D. You'll see that that doesn't quite match. First time that I did it, I had it better. And then what you're going to do is you're going to do a file, save as. We'll save this out, put your name on it again. Somewhere in here, probably Mattingly. Save it out as a JPEG's fine. And hit OK on those options. Now you'll see I have 1, 2 done, and then we're going to move on to the third one in our next video.